do have the federal case that he's pled guilty to, so he's doing time for sure. But yeah, it's a good point that we'll have to wait and see. The camera just moved on to the seal, meaning likely that Judge Newman could be close to taking the bench. So we'll get more information on this hopefully very soon. Shanley.
Right. It's you know, as we wait though, let's what could we be hearing? There's over 100 financial crimes that he faces in the state of South Carolina at the state level there. So, you know, this just in. Let me just say.
Shanley's got her texting with people in the courtroom.
Yes, well, actually, this is from the representative of the Satterfield family. Gloria Satterfield, you know, was the housekeeper and who tragically, of course, fell down.
This was going to be the basis of this trial.
But then, of course, Murdaugh allegedly, well, now he's going to probably plead to it, and he has admitted in his murder trial that he did steal from her estate and her sons. And so the representative of the family says that they are satisfied that this sad chapter in their lives appears to be coming to an end. They believe the state achieved justice for Gloria and her family. So that's good news to hear. You know, that's when you have a victim's family like this.
So they must know the details of it. They've been in contact with Creighton Waters and team.
Oh, absolutely. You know, Creighton Waters would want to consult before reaching any sort of agreement. Michael, do you see that a lot in your practice, that when you have the family behind you, supporting you, wanting this to happen, it definitely helps it come to fruition?
Yeah, when there are cases where the victim is, you know, a major bank, they are not as emotional as when the victim is a poor family, literally an impoverished family that had their money stolen from the person that they trusted most, which is the attorney that was supposed to be preserving their money. I always told people that in the beginning of this Murdaugh case, I buried my head under a rock. I said, I don't want to hear about this case. If there was ever a definition of a hell for an attorney, being convicted of stealing money from your clients and then murdering your own child and wife, that's the definition of hell. And so this guy, he created his own hell. And so when the Satterfield saying that this chapter is behind them, that matters. Anything they say matters in this monster sentencing, right? Any word they say, right? Because look at them. I mean, just look at that kid on that camera. You stole money from that kid. You stole money from him. Can you imagine that kid in a private consultation with Corey Fleming and Alex Murdaugh and trusting them on every word they said? And they eventually told them at some point, well, there's no money for you, right? They said that to that young man in the camera, right? That could be anybody's child, right? And he lost his mom, and he's trusting these older guys, you know, with the ties and the suits and the fancy suits and the nice offices, to tell him, hey, you know, we're trying to get you money. At the same time, they were buying hunting lodges with it. So, I mean, yeah, whatever that kid says, the judge cares. And I'm glad you read that out loud, Shanley, because I mean, that's really what this comes down to, is the emotional opinion of the victims.